You guys may ask, what's the Valvetronic Audi experience? This. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Some more Audi content for you guys. This car behind me has the full exhaust package and it has a set of Unitronic Sport Cat downpipes. Now, the objective in this video is to showcase how good our full RS7 or RS6 C8 generation exhaust sounds with all the different downpipe configurations. This car, again, 200 cells up front. You'll see in the videos tagged below, there's a free flow downpipe configuration with this same exhaust. And of course, there's a stock downpipe. So you know what configuration of downpipes is the best to pair with the ultimate exhaust of Valvetronic Designs' full exhaust platform. Car behind me, again, it does have stage 1 software on it, so we're gonna get some pops and cracks. I'm really excited to showcase how good this car sounds. Startup, revs, flybys, launch control. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are gonna get to sit next to me and enjoy the V8 twin turbo 4-liter experience from the passenger seat. Let's get to it, guys. right, people, welcome back inside the RS7. We got the valves open right now. This exhaust, man, it adds so much excitement and drama. 2,000 RPMs, you get such such impressive sound. Even, I'm gonna downshift to first, 15 miles an hour. It's so aggressive and exciting inside the car, which, you know, everybody can make the car loud. You can do muffler deletes, you can do a set of downpipes. A lot of people, they do downpipes and mid-pipes on this car and they keep the stock rear. We find that there's huge sound gains in the rear section doing the full exhaust with the free flow components. Don't compromise when it comes to getting the best exhaust. And even with these 200 cell downpipes, no check engine lights, no issues, this thing, I mean, you can hear it in here. I'm in the RS1 mode. It's so lively, but low speed, not a lot of throttle, 20 miles an hour. Just the bass and the drama in here is so fun. Then when you're on throttle, the hard blare comes out. Listen. Cracks. Fast too. Jesus Christ. Quite the experience with the Valvetronic setup. Listen, we know there's a lot of great systems out there for this car, but if you want the ultimate experience, man, this is the only way to go. Oh, also, and something that's really cool, program the garage door openers to operate the exhaust modes. Super cool, and a very flavorful touch of what is a very unique and enjoyable exhaust setup. This configuration is available whether you have stock downpipes or the race downpipes, but having the control inside the Audi MMI is really, really cool. You guys may ask, what's the Valvetronic Audi experience? This. Very nice. Cracks. Whoa! RS7. that, everyone, is what the best sounding exhaust configuration sounds like for the C8 RS platform Audis. This configuration combined with the 200 cell downpipes sounds phenomenal. It's super raw, very aggressive in the car, huge flexibility as per the Valvetronic theme. You save a bunch of weight and really pick up a huge amount of sound. If you're looking to get this exhaust configuration for your RS6 or RS7 C8 generation, please check out our website. You'll see the product is linked below. And also check out the videos below as well to hear what the car sounds like with downpipes, with the stock downpipes, and of course this car has a set of 200 cell downpipes. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next Audi RS project. And for now, that's how we do it. The Valvetronic wave on the RS products.